Option number two would be like, hey, I'm just taking a look, right?
Yeah.
And that's fine too. I do that in stores often where it's, hey, I'm just kind of browsing and I just kind of stopped in. And a lot of people are coming for a reason into an optical store. It's like, hey, I need glasses, right?
Yeah.
And they come for a reason, but some people just want to browse around, and that's obviously great too. Everyone that comes in is someone that we can give a great experience to, and then they're going to go tell their friends and family and share that experience.
Exactly.
So that's important, especially when we're just getting started here. So every person that comes in is like, hey, thanks for coming. This is awesome.
Exactly.
And give them the best experience. Now that experience can look different for each person, right? It's like, well, maybe they just kind of want to be left alone, and you'll kind of feel that, you'll notice that. Or maybe they want you to engage more. And so you're kind of feeling that out with each person, which you're very emotionally intelligent, so you'll know that. But that's just something to be aware of. But I think when it comes to that, one of the things I try to do is just when they say, hey, I'm just taking a look, yes, please try on anything. Let me know if you have any questions.
Okay.
Like I'm a ready person to assist you.
Yeah.
I don't like just check out and go to the back and not engage anymore.
Exactly.
You're with them, you're present. If they have any questions, a lot of people like that want to browse, and then they might have a question. Question about price, question about style. What is this frame called? Where is it made? So you're ready with any answers they might want.
Okay.
So, but let them try on. A lot of times in our space too, it's almost there's a art gallery feel to it, right?
Yeah.
So some people are like, am I allowed to try on stuff? So give them permission, try on anything, and then don't worry about where you put it back. Just like
feel right at home.
Yep, we'll fix that. And then give them, a lot of times in that case, you just need to give them a little space.
Yeah.
Let them kind of browse and try stuff on. Be attentive, and I think that's kind of what I was saying about as far as answers to those questions. Be attentive, be ready, and that's a different experience.
Yeah.
Because it seems like you either get too much help, you're at a used car dealership, and they're getting like, okay, man, I need a minute. Or it's the other extreme of like, okay, we're just chilling on the couch
and like, help yourself.
Help yourself.
Yeah.
That works in certain environments. That's not the enjoy experience.
Yeah.
So.
But you feel welcomed.
Yep. Look for ways to engage in conversation. You've already noticed that around here. It's like, yeah, glasses are kind of like the thing.
Yeah.
But I'm glad to talk to you about your kids. I'd love to hear more about what you do for work.
Exactly.
We're creating a culture of conversation, and you do that by asking questions. Get to know them, and that's one of the reasons you're going to be amazing at this is because you enjoy that. You're genuinely curious, and it's beyond glasses.
Yeah.
Glasses are the conduit to the people, but we're interested in humans.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Developing like a relationship, so next time they come in, how you can relate to that individual.